to me to cover you up there. You've got your purse, you got your luggage, your carry-on. Oh my gosh, the kids. What else do you have? You're holding a lot. Half the time you end up dragging your coat on the floor when you're rushing to catch a flight at the airport or traveling really at all. No more, because this woman has invented the Abrigo bag. This is Katie Gervais. Katie, you're from Columbus.
I am. I grew up in Hilliard, the Hilliard area. My husband and I then, when I came back to Columbus after many years, we lived in the Hilliard area, and now we live in downtown Columbus.
So let's talk about this bag, Abrigo bag, which means
coat in Spanish.
It's brilliant. It's a bag for your coat. So let's see how it works, because you've got an extra one here.
We've got an extra bag here.
Okay.
The bag was designed with ample room to. This is a full-length wool coat.
Okay.
So it's bulky, but
that's it.
It fits in easily with plenty of room to spare. And I fill my bag with much more than a coat when I travel.
Okay, so let's show it, because this is full. Tell everyone what's in this.
My goodness, in this bag I have my computer, I have my Kindle, I carry files.
Whoopsies.
There's nothing in the suitcase, so it's a little isn't heavy enough. I have a raincoat.
Oh my gosh.
I have an umbrella, which I'm hoping to launch
so
as well.
Really not only just a bag for your
my handbag.
Coat. It's really a carry-all.
It is a carry-all. And it was designed to go over your suitcase handle with snaps.
Can you show this in the back here? Because it's so neat. And then you can even put your information in there as well.
All your travel documents.
Passport.
Everything fits in there. Your boarding pass.
How did you think of this?
Your phone. I thought of that because I was traveling back and forth to New York a lot.
Yeah.
And I just was so overwhelmed with dragging my coat, and I had a brand new coat that I didn't want to wear.
And you go to the bathrooms and you're like, oh yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the security lines, then you'd go put it on that dirty belt or in the dirty basket.
Did they let you keep your jacket in the bag?
Yes, absolutely. So if I have my jacket on, I just put it right in there and away I go. The other nice thing is the fact that you can consolidate all of their belongings because you're only allowed to carry on
one item,
one personal item, and it's so flexible. It will go under the seat in front of you, or it can scrunch up.
Suitcase.
Right.
Have you been getting great reaction about this?
Absolutely.
Good.
Our customers are loving it, and they find that it's stylish and useful. And it's also great just when you're out shopping. So
So all right. So tell everyone where they can get this if they're interested.
This is available online only.
Okay.
It is available at abrigobag.com. And just another little quick feature I want to show you.
There's so many features.
Yeah, I know. But just for easy access, a key lanyard. So that's really a nice thing when you're traveling.
And when you're traveling, you always lose your keys, and then when you get back to home, you have no idea what to do. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Amy.
This is really great.
I'm glad I could share it with Columbus.
Yeah, she's local too, so help her out. Get online and order one today.
Thank you.
Walter, over to you.
All right, thanks, Amy. Yeah, that
is brilliant.
Brilliant and fun and flirty.
We like it.
I've learned that phrase. So whenever you talk about women's fashion, you just say fun and flirty.
And you win.
We put her website on our website.
Our website, right. So myfox28columbus.com, so you can get that bag. Fantastic.